Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of HelloLeads CRM Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. When that's done, click on it. Here, click Install and allow an install. Refresh your page. And when it is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The second tab is the tutorial tab, which has videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your HelloLeads account online and click on Settings. In Settings, click on API Integrations. From here, copy your email address, head back to your account, and paste it where required. Next, copy the API key, head back to your account, and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. Up next is the Support tab. And on this tab, you can create tickets or book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally, the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made in that application by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.